how to download Chase mobile banking application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download Chase mobile banking application on your Android device. So first thing first, simply head over to your Play Store, and once you're inside Play Store, simply search in for the Chase mobile application just like this. And once you search in for the Chase mobile application, simply click on this application which is created by JP Morgan Chase, as you can see on the screen. And to confirm it, just head over to your download section by scrolling to the right, and you can confirm it by seeing the 50 million plus download. And so simply click on install from over here and wait for some time for it to load. So depending upon your internet speed, it will be downloaded after some seconds. And once it's done, you can simply click on open to open your Chase Bank application and simply select accept, and from over here you will have successfully downloaded your Chase Bank mobile banking application on your Android device. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.